fillet pancakes. It will taste delicious and it is soft on the inside. Stay with me. I'm sure that you're gonna like it. Okay, let's start. For this souffle pancake, we will need 3 tablespoons of milk, water, that's optional, 1 teaspoon of lemon juice, self-raising flour and eggs. Now let's make it. The first thing that we will need to do is get 2 eggs. For my pancake, I have cracked 2 eggs in a bowl, but I have a trick. Since I need to separate the egg yolk and the white part, I'm going to show you a little trick. What you'll need to do is you need to get a bottle, squeeze it like this, and then put it on the yolk. This way you get to transfer it to I will put sugar inside 3 tablespoons while you're going to mix it. Now I have mixed the batter. After you have mixed it, I will put the heat on medium, and then I will cook it for 2 minutes. Now I will put the mixture in the piping bag. I have put the mixture in the piping bag. Now I will cut it. It has almost been 2 minutes. Now very carefully I have to flip it. This is the last pancake I'm cooking, and in the meanwhile, I'm going to decorate my pancake. Did you know that pancakes and bananas are delicious together? It's a really good combination. Let's decorate it. Syrups that I have chosen are toffee and strawberry flavored. My other 2 pancakes are really big, and this one I made as Mickey Mouse. Let's try now. The pancake is really soft on the inside. So all the people who like soft pancakes, you should definitely try this recipe. The Mickey Mouse one is for my brother because he likes Mickey Mouse and he's going to be really happy. Orhan! please try it at home. Thank you so much for supporting me always. I will come back with something new. Take care. Bye.
Yummy. So tasty.